All right, guys, here I am. I'm at the Unseen Realities booth. I am about to get my first look at their new headset. This is amazing. I mean, you know, they've combined the best of AR in the glasses form factor with, you know, some of the technologies that we're getting in VR pass-through. So very cool design, very lightweight, very good form factor. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Okay, upon putting on the glasses, I can tell you right now, the pass-through quality is literally at the same level as what I would consider my Play for Dream. You know, maybe even approaching Apple Vision Pro. I'm seeing a very, very clear pass-through image. You know, and I gotta tell you, this is so far above the kind of mixed reality experience already in just this simple demo that I'm getting with, say, something like a Quest 3. I'm not getting that somewhat muddy background, you know? I mean, it definitely has a better clarity to it. Now, they did say this is 6 DoF, and yes, it is 6 DoF right off the bat. I gotta tell you, it's moving in space the way it should. Now, let's see here, and I think I'm just on a computer screen here. Yeah, I am. So the mouse response I can already see is good. Now currently they say they are running these at 45 Hertz. They are 90 Hertz capable. So, you know, 90 Hertz with a 90-degree field of view, giving me a equivalent experience to AR glasses, but with a, you know, with a VR capabilities. That's nuts. I mean, you know, the pass through like this, I've thought for years that was doable, and I've not seen anyone else attempt it. So right on for Unseen Realities for giving this a try. Yeah. So is this in market currently, or is this coming to market?
Yeah, this coming to market end of June.
End of June? Okay.
Yeah, we'll start our Kickstarter campaign.
Okay, so it's coming to Kickstarter.
Yeah.
And do you have a price point that you're targeting at this point?
Yeah. For Kickstarter, it's the price is $7.99.
$7.99, under $1,000.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our regular retail price would be $8.99.
$8.99. So that $7.99 would be for early backers. And when do you expect to start shipping after the Kickstarter?
Beginning of September.
Beginning of September.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're talking about a pretty quick launch time after that Kickstarter, guys. Yeah. So I'll tell you what, I'm impressed. Color be impressed. Definitely, I'm going to be keeping an eye on these. Definitely look at their Kickstarter. I will definitely be taking a look at it, and hopefully be giving you some more information soon. This is Don, signing off.